In today's episode, we're exploring the cutting-edge world of Michelin tires, specifically comparing the Michelin X-Ice Snow and the Cross Climate 2. Launched in the same year, these tires are engineered for distinctly different climates. While both are exceptional, understanding their specialties will help you make the best choice for your driving needs. Let's dive into their performance across various conditions, focusing purely on performance metrics. The Michelin Cross Climate 2 isn't just any all-season tire. It's an all-weather powerhouse designed to confidently tackle everything from summer roads to chilly, wet winters. Its competitor, the X-Ice Snow, is Michelin's answer to those seeking unparalleled grip and safety in severe winter conditions, including deep snow and ice. In wet conditions, the difference is clear. The Cross Climate 2 demonstrates its all-weather prowess with significantly better wet braking and handling. Imagine stopping 37 feet or 11 meters shorter than the X-Ice Snow during a sudden rainstorm. When it comes to handling, the Cross Climate 2 is also remarkably quicker, making it a standout in rainy or wet conditions. On clear days, the Cross Climate 2 continues to impress, offering enhanced safety with shorter braking distances from 60 miles per hour. This tire's design focuses on everyday driving conditions, providing a consistent and safe experience on dry roads. Its dry handling is superior, further establishing its versatility as an all-weather tire. Efficiency matters, and in this aspect, the X-Ice Snow edges out with a lower rolling resistance, suggesting better fuel economy. This shows Michelin's commitment to balancing performance with environmental considerations, making the X-Ice Snow a great choice for eco-conscious drivers facing harsh winters. When the snow falls, the X-Ice Snow stands unmatched. It excels in snow braking, traction, and handling, designed specifically for winter's toughest challenges. This tire is the clear choice for drivers in snowy climates, offering peace of mind and safety when it matters most. Choosing the right tire depends on your specific needs. For those in the grip of severe winters, the Michelin X-Ice Snow offers unmatched performance in snow and ice. However, if you're looking for a tire that excels year-round, from dry to wet to light winter conditions, the Michelin Cross Climate 2 stands out as a superior all-weather option. It's been another top tire review showdown. For more tire reviews, comparisons, and updates, subscribe to our channel. Drive safe, and see you on the road.